Hi everyone. Always good to look at news and the kinds of tools that hedge funds use, like these kind of platforms. You obviously won't want to have access. You won't have access to. One thing people don't realize is hedge funds also look at social media. It is important now to look at social media, and it comes as a shock to people. And I'm giving an example of a particular stock. It's not necessarily a recommendation, but yes, we do indeed look at tweets. Why do we look at tweets? Not some sophisticated algorithm in order to decide what to get inside tips on or anything daft like that. It's just in case we might have missed something from conventional news sources such as these. Okay, so yes, we do indeed happen to look at tweets. In the next video, I will show, well, okay, how do you replicate freely this kind of data and information where you don't obviously want to be paying for some expensive platform. Okay, so I will send that in the next video, but for now I just want to let you know, yes, we hedge funds do indeed look at tweets, and to get an idea. You never know, a disgruntled employee might be saying something about a company that we've missed on all other sources, and we've got to make sure we do our due diligence.